video, we're going to show you how to send out a video email. Pay attention to this training because it's super cool. You'll look super cool, and you'll get all kinds of conversions because everybody wants to be like you. All right, so let's get started here. Okay, first and foremost, there's a couple things you need to do. First off, if you have a video, it doesn't have to be your video, but you want to take a screenshot to make it look like it's a live video. So I'm going to go on my channel. I have a little fun car channel I do. Let's say I'm going to grab this video here, and I could hit pause, and I could grab a screenshot of this video. There's lots of screenshot software out there. I'm actually videotaping. That's a great picture of me. But there's lots of screenshot software out there that you can use. Obviously, I'm using one to record my screen, so I'm not going to do this. I've already done it. Okay, but so you're going to do a screenshot, and what you want to do is you want to get in the play buttons and everything at the bottom. Okay, and I'll show you that in a second. The second thing you want to do is you want to go to Google and search for play button PNG, and you want to find images, and you want to find a transparent one, and you want to save it. Something like this is good, something that's red like this, because this looks like the YouTube, like that comes on YouTube where someone would actually click play. Okay, all right, once you do that, you're going to go over here to what this website is, Canva. Let's see here, canva.com. Canva. Let's see if I can go to the very beginning of it. Set up an account. You can actually just link it to your Facebook, set up an account, whatever. I'm going to go to all my designs. I'm going to go to photos or templates. You know, you can grab a thing that looks like a card or business card or anything as your template. It doesn't really matter. I forget which one I used here. But I go to photos. I'm going to actually go to all your designs here, and what you can do is I'm just going to grab this picture so you can see it and hit edit. Alright, here's this really horrible picture I took of myself. Okay, but one of the things I did here is I can click on photos, and where is it at here, or uploads. You can actually upload anything you want. So I uploaded this picture and I uploaded this button. So now it added the button on top of this picture. Okay, I'm just going to resize it, and I'm going to put it like right in the center here. Okay, once I do that, I'm going to download this. Download. Okay, I downloaded it. Remember, this software is all free. I didn't pay anything for this right now. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back to Imager. IMGUR, new post. Come on, why aren't you moving? New post. All right, I'm going to grab and drag and drop, or you can just hit where you want it. So you can see that you see the play buttons down below. It looks like a real YouTube video with a play button, okay? Now I'm going to copy image address. All right, this is where the fun begins. I'm going to go into our Autoresponder. I'm going to click on an Autoresponder that we have set up, demo account. Okay. I'm going to hit create new message. I'm going to use our tags here first. Before I do that though, just so I can do I'm going to hit insert, image, paste. And that's way too big. It's 1280. I'm going to do like 450. Make it look like almost the size of a YouTube video. Hit save. Okay. Now you can see what that looks like in the email. Now what I'm going to do, I hit show tags, first name. You got a video email. You can even write from your name if you want. Okay. All right, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to hit enter. So I'm going to write above this, and we're going to hit first name. We'll just hit Control V for paste. First name. Got a video email. Wait till you see how I broke exotic car in under a week. You're going to love this. Just click on the video below. This is actually how video emails are sent. Most of you think video emails are actually embedded in an email. What you got to realize is the size of videos are so darn big that they're not embedded. They're always sent to a different site when you click on it. Okay? I'm going to hit delay 0 on this too. Or this could actually be an email broadcast. You could actually set something like this up in an email broadcast. I'm going to go underneath it. Let me know what you think. Joe Blow. Okay. On the last video, I showed you all kinds of cool stuff you could add, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to do this. But now what we're going to do is something special. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Page Builder, click on it, open link in new tab. It opens up all my pages. What I did is I built a page called Video Email. Let me show it to you. Preview. And if I hit play, you'll see that there I am, just like in my graphic, okay? Watch this video email, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to get the link of it, just like this. I'm going to go back in my autoresponder, and I'm going to click on the picture. You'll see it frames it. I'm going to click on the chain. I'm going to paste new URL, open a new window, hit save, okay, like this, and hit save. So now that picture is linked to a video page, but we're gonna put this whole together. I'm gonna opt into a page because what I have is I just built a quick page to opt into. I'm gonna opt into this. And I'm gonna show you what the email looks like when I get it and how it works. And of course I have that page just forwarded to whatever. Okay, we're going to see that email here in a few seconds. I opted in a page. Let me show you what it looks like when it gets to my Gmail account. All right, everyone, so I got an email. David, you got a video email. You got a video email. Wait till you see I broke my exotic card in a week. You're going to love this. Notice how this looks just like a video email. This is how video email, it's the trickery that video email systems do. They know that videos are way too big, and they're not going to embed the video inside an email. It's impossible. So what they do is they do something like this. It looks like the video, so they click play. Let me show you what happens when they click play. Right over here. Watch this video email. And they can watch the video, and when they're done watching the video, the coolest part about doing this is, remember, you could add your name and your phone number, your call to action, whatever. You can take them right to any website that you want when they click the button. I didn't link this button, but you can link the button and send them whatever website you want to when it's done. And that's how you make it look like. But look how good that looks. That looks exactly like every other video email on the planet. We give you that inside of the Conversion Pros for free. Just takes a little finagling to set it up. But I just showed you how to do it. So now you can make your autoresponders full of videos that look like they could click on the video right there. And obviously it takes them to a page where they can watch that video. And you'll get crazy, crazy conversions because it's so freaking cool. All right. Hopefully you learned something here. And it's just another awesome tool that we give you inside the Conversion Pros.